Coupon Queen, and I wanted to help you guys get prepared for next week's deals at Walgreens. So I'm going to share with you some really hot deals. There's a really good Pampers deals. If you guys like Pampers and you need some, definitely a good stock up price. Make sure you guys check your accounts, see if you guys get the $2 off 15 spend or any of the percentage off coupons. Those are going to help these deals be even better. So if you do find one of those on your account, make sure you guys clip them as soon as possible. Those coupons are up to a certain limit. So if they send out 1,000 and 1,000 people clip it to the account, it will disappear off your account if you have not clipped it. So high value coupons like that, make sure you guys clip it and snag it to make sure it's on your account when you guys need it for next week. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button in this bottom right hand corner and hit the notification tab so you won't miss out on any of the deals. So let's dive in. First deal is going to be on some toothpaste. So the current week we're in at Walgreens has a better deal for toothpaste. So I would recommend doing it this week instead of next week. If you're not able to, next week is still not bad. So the deal is buy 3, get a $5 register reward. So you're going to buy 3 Crest toothpaste, select varieties at $3.99 each. You're going to use the $5 off 3 digital coupon if you haven't used it already. You're going to pay $6.97, get back a $5 register reward. Final cost is going to be $1.97 for 3 or just 64 cents each. So not a bad deal. Anything under $1 each for toothpaste is definitely a stock up price. However, this week you can get it absolutely free. The next deal, some more toothpaste for you guys, depending on which brand you prefer. Colgate is going to be on sale. Buy 2, get a $6 register reward. So this one is a little bit better of a deal than the Crest. You're going to buy 2 Colgate at $3.99. You're going to use a $1 off 1 digital coupon. You're going to pay $6.98, get back $6 in register rewards. So your final cost is only 49 cents each, which is a really hot deal. Colgate is pretty expensive. So if you guys need any toothpaste, make sure you guys stock up. Keep a few backups in the house so you don't have to worry about running out. The next deal is on the Pampers diapers. So really hot deal at CVS this week and Walgreens if you guys are needing some additional Pampers and diapers. So they're on sale this week, 2 for $18. So you're saving a little bit right there. You're going to use a $3 off 2 digital coupon. You're going to pay $15 and get back a $4 register reward. So final cost is just $5.50 each. Now, if you do have this $2 off $15 spend booster on your account, that's going to take off an additional $2. So instead of paying $15, you're only going to pay $13 out of pocket. Get back a $4 register reward. Final cost is $4.50 per pack of diapers. So really, really hot deal to stock up. We also have some Garnier Fructis, and there is a good L'Oreal deal as well if you prefer that for your shampoo and conditioner. So Garnier is on sale, 2 bottles for $7. So you can get 1 shampoo, 1 conditioner, or 2 of each, whatever works best for you guys. You're going to use a $3 off 2 digital coupon. You're going to also use a $1 off of each from the IVC coupon booklet. So this is the November coupon booklet. It's in the front of the store where you get your weekly ads. So make sure you guys grab one. There's also a digital version. So as long as you clip it to your card, $1 will come off of each bottle. So your final cost is only $2 for both or $1 each, which is super hot deal on some shampoo and conditioner. Next deal is stocking up on some paper plates. So with the holidays coming up, a lot of people do Friendsgiving or for Thanksgiving. A lot of people like to use some paper plates so they can help minimize the dishes. I know that's what I like to do. So Dixie Plates this week is on sale. Buy 1, get 1 free. So you're going to get 2 of the plates. You can either get the larger ones or the smaller ones. You can get 1 of each, mix and match, whatever you'd like. There is a $1 off 2 digital coupon that you're going to clip to your account. you're gonna pay $3 or just $1.49 each, so not a bad deal there. And the last deal is on some cereal. So General Mills is gonna be on sale for $1.99 each. So you're gonna pick up 2 of them, any of these select varieties that are on sale. You're gonna use a $1 off 2 digital coupon. Final cost is just $1.49 each, so not a bad deal there. It's cheaper than if you go to Walmart, so definitely a good stock up price if you guys need some cereal. If you have any questions or anything, make sure you guys drop a comment like usual. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. I will post the top CVS deals either today or tomorrow, so stay tuned for those so we can get ready for some great deals next week. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.